Matter is considered anything, the definition of matter is anything that takes up space. Matter can be found everywhere in our generation. There are three different phases of matter: solids, liquids, and gas. All three of these phases of matter have different properties that separate them from one another. A solid has a definite shape and definite volume. Since the particles are so close to one another, they have no room for movement and the solid cannot expand or decline. Liquid has a definite shape, has a definite volume, but does not have a definite shape due to where the particles are loosely packed. Gas has no definite volume or definite shape where the particles are so far apart. One of the main impacts on these phases of matter is temperature. When these states of matter are heated, the particles inside the masses move quickly around, sometimes changing the states of matter. If heated correctly, a solid can turn into a liquid, and a liquid might even turn into a gas. When these particles are cooled, it could even change the phase, causing either a gas or a liquid to turn into a solid. Atoms are the smallest unit of matter. Atoms are made into three types of particles: protons, neutrons, and electrons. These particles all contain a different charge. Protons have a positive charge, neutrons have a neutral charge, electrons have a negative charge. A molecule is when two or more atoms join chemically. Examples of a molecule include molecular hydrogen and molecular oxygen. These are considered molecules because they have the same type of atom in each thing, or its element to be at least, because hydrogen contains two hydrogens and molecular oxygen contains two oxygens. A compound is a molecule that contains two or more different elements, such as CO2 and H2O. Notice that CO2 and H2O both contain two different elements: carbon and oxygen, and water, hydrogen and oxygen. That's the difference between molecules and compounds. There are two different names for when to describe when two or more substances are combined. First one of these is a mixture. When a mixture is composed, you take multiple items or compounds or whatever they might be and combine them. What makes a mixture is when they are combined, each element or whatever you use does not use its physical properties, such as trail mix. You have peanuts, raisins, and M&Ms. When you combine them in a bowl, you still have separate peanuts, raisins, and M&Ms. You can still sort them out.
6 minutes or 5 minutes 15 seconds.
A solution is when two or more substances are combined and make a new substance. An example of this would be salt water. When you make salt water, you take salt and you combine it with water, and your result would be salt water. This makes it a solution because it transforms into one new substance, which is salt water, and you cannot easily separate the salt from the water, and it changes their meanings chemically. To sum everything up, matter can be found everywhere. From atoms and elements to mixtures and solutions, matter makes up pretty much everything we see in our world today. It's easily overlooked and many people take it for granted. It's not necessarily as simple as you might think.